Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ashutosh. How are you?
Yes, fine, sir. Fantastic,
Good to see the young man from Kolkata
sir.
today. So we have 30 minutes to discuss. So how can I help you in this call?
Yes, sir. This 3 points just I mentioned that number one is in this business how to make flame are the points I should keep in mind.
Okay.
And number two, during my book launching and book writing that is clear, but this launching and making this cover page
Mm.
to whom to contact and some financial things also. And third is I want to know more about this money energy from your side, because yesterday what you mentioned, not only that, previously I have seen your videos where you mentioned something that red cloth, and apart from red cloth you mentioned that never bargain with people. I am following, really. I am following, and I am understanding the feelings and emotions behind this.
Excellent.
So I'll be very much thankful if you'll give some tips about this.
Sure,
And
sure.
I also gratitude, showing gratitude because I have learned a lot of things from your side, and I'll continue my journey.
Okay.
But
Okay.
some challenges are coming, but I am trying to overcome this.
Understood. No problem. I'll guide you here. That's the whole objective of TLC community, right? To guide
So,
everyone. So you want to know first is how do you structure the flame for your turnaround coaching? Is that correct? Is that what your question is? The first question?
yes, sir. Flame from Sudhir in his SOP, that School of Prosperity, I understood the flame for my this business is a Herbalife business and
Ah,
this wellness business. That flame
understood.
I made, and
Okay.
accordingly I made my own product.
Okay.
And with Herbalife, I made my own product. I am promoting that product.
Excellent.
Okay.
Excellent. Very good. So now you want to know how to design your flame for the turnaround coach. Is that correct?
Exactly. Turn around coach, and for this coaching business, because
Understood.
I want to coach people on the health ground. Apart from this, I am making Facebook Live on different books, from different books, motivational books,
Mm,
something.
mm, mm, mm.
There may be some class, but I turn around means it is not only the health challenges, it
Mm.
is mind challenges, it is financial challenges, everything turn around.
Understood. Understood. To whom would you like to help people? What kind of people you would like to help?
For this health sector, that means wellness sector, I want to help professionals and businessmen, because number one, they can afford the money. Number two, they are really facing the challenges, because
Mm,
sitting in a home for 12 hours, it is very challenging for them to
mm,
maintain their health.
mm.
So this is my primary audience for this health sector.
Okay.
And for this sector, turnaround coach for other coaching business, if I want to express myself, suppose in sales, marketing and other things which is related but not directly related, if
Mm,
I make some coaching, so that in that case target audience maybe young generations and people
mm.
who want to aspire.
Okay. Okay. Understood. So you want to do coaching for either on a sales part of it, they want to turn around their sales and enhance their selling or more profits in their business.
This is also there. Somebody
Okay.
wanted to uh, become not leader, some more motivated or something want to do in his life, like this
Understood.
also. Somebody want to change their health, that is there. That is
That I
another thing.
understand. With respect to health, your funnel is ready with respect to Herbalife Wellness. We are talking
Yes.
about the coaching part of it. Again,
Coaching. Yes.
turnaround coach in which area is very important. Okay, so turnaround with respect to health is your wellness coach, wellness products now. So
Yes.
turnaround there is you already have obesity. Ask me now. You have your Herbalife. Okay, so that's a different one. So turn around with respect to mental fitness, okay, is a turning around with respect to your business is sinking, okay, money is not coming. So do you want to turn around that? Okay, is that what you are looking out for a business owner? Okay, so if you go and talk to a business owner and if you want to say that I'm a turnaround coach, the only thing they want to turn around always is their business only, nothing else they want right now. That's the front end engine. Okay,
Yes.
If you want to go to a corporate employee, the turnaround is probably, the productivity at their work spot. How can I communicate better, or how can I build relationship better? So that's the challenge there. Okay, if you turn around for a housewife, it's predominantly the relationships
Yes.
with their husband or with their family. So which one are you comfortable, or which area you have more experience with respect to business owners, or are you comfortable with people working in a company as managers and leaders, or are you comfortable with housewives and students?
Here that needs not decided actually. I'm frankly speaking.
Okay, now what kind of people come to you very frequently?
People from who wanted to be motivated. The motivational speaker is separate, different,
Yeah,
but
I understood.
who
So
want
what's the age group of those people when they say, people who come to you and ask you this question? What general average age group?
average 25 to 55. This people group are coming.
Understood. And what are they? Are they working, or are they sitting idly, or doing business? What are they?
No, no, everybody is working somewhere. Some either doing business or doing service.
Hmm.
Everything. Everybody is some engaged professionals.
Okay. And predominantly, they're asking you what questions? Most of them, when they come to you, what are the common questions they're asking you? Recently, you would have spoken to someone, right? Recently, you would have just motivated someone, guided someone. What are the questions they're asking?
Some people. One guy from Bangalore. He asked me that I am very much inspired from your talking. So would you want to inspire me or motivate me? Okay, you come with me. So that type questions. Or somebody from Bangladesh is asking, oh, you teach me Hindi, then I will with Hindi I will learn something and I
Hmm.
can communicate with you
Hmm.
like this, different. Somebody from other areas, they like whatever I am talking with them. This inspiration, this motivation, only this they are related to this so far.
Hmm. And all your videos are all book reviews and what you're reading from the books. Is that what you're sharing with them?
So far I am sharing and that there is authenticity is there. Number two, from other coaching also, suppose Think and Grow Rich, from that book also I have told something. Millionaire Mind, from there also I told.
Hmm.
And now Power of Your Subconscious Mind, from there I am talking. And in future also I will tell about the sales also, because I am getting whatever knowledge I am getting
So
about
every day you're
sales.
selling Herbalife, no? So obviously you will have huge knowledge over there, right? So you're selling an expensive product over there. So obviously you will have a lot of knowledge on how to sell.
uh, Herbalife selling is not difficult, but selling other product, I'm making my own product. With Herbalife, that is also separate, but making products separately, is it wise to make products separately?
What do you mean by separately products? What do you mean by separate products?
Because sometimes Sudhir told that your this wellness coach, this product is different. If you want to tell something, then you have to make a business, other type of business or other product you have to make it.
What product you
Like
have right now other than Herbalife?
Herbalife product, now I made this product is I made it is my own program. That means easy program. That means eating and sleeping and water. This is the
Okay.
product. And with this habit changing, this is my product. So eating habit when it is coming, so I am including Herbalife products there, so that their total eating habits can be modified in different way. I am getting
Mm-hmm.
result also. Selling my product with Herbalife, not directly Herbalife. So
Understood. Now, why can't you bring both these coachings together? That means you can have your own turnaround health turnaround coaching.
yes,
Okay, in the front
okay,
end, the back
yes,
end can be the Herbalife distributorship. Okay, maybe they
yes.
become your supervisor, or they can open a nutrition club under your guidance. Okay, which level are you in Herbalife right now? Are you at the global team or president team? Where are you right now?
No, not president team, not global team. It is world team.
Oh, you are in the world team. Okay, very good,
World team.
fantastic. So it means you are better than the supervisor team, right?
Yes.
Okay. See, ultimately everything has to come and sync together. You can't run two different things. One side you say I'm talking about health and I will sell Herbalife, and then you say that I'm a turnaround coach and I do something else. Okay. So is there a way in which you can bring everything closer so that there is a complementary business also happens?
That is good.
Will that be useful? If you build it that way, will that be
Yes,
useful?
that will be useful.
So what you can do is that in the front end is all about health awareness.
Health awareness. Okay.
Completely you share everything about health awareness. Okay.
Sir.
When it talks about health awareness, then the both physical and mental health both will come. Setting the mindset. Okay,
Yes.
so that
Yes.
comes in the free sessions. Okay, so your
Yes.
free videos and your free YouTube and all your free content.
Yes, sir.
And then probably as a lead magnet, you can create a health assessment sheet
Okay.
as a lead magnet, a health assessment sheet where people can actually check what is their health score right now. If you have,
Yes.
there are a lot
Yes.
of health assessment sheets are there. Maybe you can customize it and maybe you can create what is their stress level score, what is their health assessment score right now. So I'm just giving you an example. Probably it will be different also.
That
We
is
will
available. That is available, but online it is not possible. Physically it is possible. I am doing health
online you
assessment.
can just give them a PDF document. They themselves can fill. Maybe you
Okay.
create a video how to fill that document and how do they take the test and then
Okay.
what will be the result. Okay, and what are they supposed to do once they see the results. Guidelines, step by step guidelines, just not a report. It is also a guidelines also. So probably it's more like one mini course.
Hmm.
Okay. For example, you can do that as a 5-day health, become
Okay.
fit in 5 days, something like that. Maybe a
Hmm.
5-day email course or 5-day WhatsApp class. It can be anything.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, so that also can be one particular product of yours as a lead magnet. Okay, maybe you bring them into your WhatsApp group, 5 days step by step. Okay, day one, do this test. Okay, day two, this is what you are supposed to do on day two, day three, day four, day five, and fifth day, come and attend a webinar of mine.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
So they will come to your class and they can actually talk about your 3-hour course, whatever you're going to sell to them. A 3-hour
Hmm.
program on how do you build your mental and physical fitness? What are the habits you need to build? So
Hmm.
that becomes your acquisition product.
Acquisition program.
So that's a 3-hour workshop, probably on a Sunday. If Sunday is available to you, 9:30 to 1 o'clock, a 3-hour
Hmm.
program on
Yes.
taking care of, turning around your health, basically.
Yes.
Okay. So that means you can actually look at from diabetes perspective, hypertension perspective, and how they can turn around and how they can live a disease-free living. Okay.
Yes, this is free life. For this, I made this medal system, medal with Sudhir it came medal. Medal M
Excellent.
means medication free life. E
Hmm.
means energy, more energy.
Hmm.
D means a disease free life.
Hmm.
A means a more attractiveness, and
Hmm.
L means a longer living, like
Excellent.
this.
Excellent. So you can run your whole workshop based on this 5-step medal concept.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So in the acquisition program, probably you can invite them to your main coaching program,
Hmm.
which can be a 4 weeks group coaching. 4 weeks in 30 days.
Hmm.
Okay, lose your weight in 30
Hmm.
days for sure. Ensure that your MEDAL everything is done.
It's 30 days challenge like
Yeah,
this.
30-day challenge. Okay, and it's
Yes.
an implementation challenge, which is a group
Implementation.
program. Remember, it's a group program. That means you have to bring in a group of people in a Zoom meeting and do coaching via Zoom.
Okay.
Maybe 1 to 2 hours every week. And then they
Hmm.
can have follow-up session in the WhatsApp group, what they're
Yes.
supposed to do, give you the feedback, and you group coaching. Maybe
Yes.
11 people maximum, you can think of like that. Maybe you can charge 10,000 rupees for that group coaching. In
Yes.
30 days, lose your weight. I will suggest you all these things. And
Yes.
probably in that, you can also add value of Herbalife. If they want, they can buy the Herbalife products from you, or you give them option. If you want, you buy it from your local distributor also, or if you want, you buy it from me, I will courier it to you.
Yes.
If you think that is required, because it will be customized, because for everyone, it's not going to be the same products that is required. Some of
Right.
them may need the Herbalife shake, some of them may not need the Herbalife shake. So
We do
thereby
not
what
like that.
happens is the slight billing of Herbalife also can happen.
Mm. Mm.
And then people, once they are very clear on the main program, which is your 4 weeks coaching, which is a 30-day program,
Yes.
Then you can invite them to your Elite program, which is a quarterly one-to-one coaching,
Okay.
where you can go a little deeper. You can say that, no, if you are interested to build your life and business in a healthier way, I can do a one-to-one customized coaching for all of you. So
Mm.
then you can say my one-to-one coaching for it's every week one session, and then it's a 12 session. So in the 12 session, I can customize and create a one-to-one coaching for you. And after 12 weeks, if you want more, we will continue. Otherwise, we can stop with quarterly coaching. And you can charge them 50,000, 60,000, and something like that.
Okay.
With 60,000 rupees, you can say. You can tell that my monthly coaching fees is 40,000 rupees, but for you, I will give it to you all the 3 months together for 60,000.
Sure.
Does that make sense? Whatever
Yes,
I'm
yes.
saying.
Yes.
So
yes.
probably when they come to your one-to-one coaching, probably some of them, if they are struggling for business, probably there you can give them the opportunity of Herbalife supervisorship.
Hmm.
Okay. Because if someone has to become a supervisor in Herbalife, they have to invest good amount of money, right? So that's a very, and they come under you also, so then they become part of your team and you can build it up. So thereby, at least at the end, both the coaching may connect. But with your Herbalife experience, you can teach them selling skills. You can teach them human interactions, emotions, health, mindset. Because every day in Herbalife, you are finding various rejections, right? How are you managing rejections?
Correct.
Because not everyone will buy Herbalife, no. Out of 10, only one will buy.
Exactly.
Because you have to stand on the road, take the height and weight measurement. You have to say BMI check, free BMI check. So that's how your whole funnel of Herbalife starts, no? The same thing happens in Kolkata also.
Same thing happening. Same thing happening. Nowadays it is reduced, but it was already in vogue. It
Yeah,
is
so in
going
all
on.
the roads, people stand with their in the umbrella with the height weight machine, and they say, okay, take a
Nowadays,
free obesity
nowadays,
test, and then come to my clinic, come to my nutrition club.
nowadays roads so reduced a lot.
Yeah,
Everybody is now on online, and they are inviting people online.
correct.
Like this, it is going on.
So can you do the same thing online? Is something which you have to think for Herbalife. That means online,
Yes,
can you do a BMI check, free
yes.
BMI counseling check? Come. So the whole thing can go in this particular sequence also. Does that make sense? Whatever I'm saying.
Yes, yes, yes. I should not defocus. I should focus myself in one segment of that existing niche and go along with this my coaching and training for these people also.
Yeah, absolutely true. You are a turnaround coach on health. So you have to stay only on the front end as the health. The
Founded.
back end can be the mental part of it. And then the sales part of it.
So, yes.
Then what happens? You will talk with authenticity and everyone will connect with whatever you're doing.
Okay. So whatever flame I will make based upon my already existing needs and existing what business I am doing on this itself.
Correct. Both can parallelly run together and somewhere it can intersect.
Yes. Understood.
Will you be comfortable in doing that way? Will that be comfortable?
Yes, 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 yes. I'll do. I'll do. I'll make it. I'll make it.
Okay. 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 So what's the second question?
Second thing about the book writing, I already what yesterday I told that book particular title I am searching. Whatever title I am making, that is not. I am not liking that title. So ultimately, I came to know that if I'll write in negative way, somebody guided in that way somewhere that if you write in negative way,
What
so
are you going
people
to
will
write
be
in the book?
attracted.
What is your core objective of the book? What's the benefit of
Core
it?
objective that changing the habits. If these 7 habits, if people will not follow, then their health, not only health, they are mentally they will be ruined. Suppose what I am talking of people about their food habits, if they cannot change their sleeping habits, if they cannot change. Iggy also told about the sleep. I came to I know
Correct.
a lot of things from Iggy. That is
Correct.
also my part.
Hmm.
And second, water taking habits. A lot of people are not taking proper water. Then exercise habits. People are not doing exercise. Then another 3 habits is the one is visualization habits. That is people don't know what is visualization. because with these habits, if I can include visualization, then things will be enhanced properly. Then another is community habits, because if they will not come in the community, they will not get results quickly. And
So how many habits you're talking about? Can you just tell me the
seven,
habits?
7 habits.
So why can't the book name can be 7 habits?
Yes, that's why I'm writing 7 dangerous habits may ruin. That means in negative way. If you will not follow these 7 habits, your health and life will be spoiled.
But the top title became very big. 7 dangerous habits. So the whole book cover will be very, very big.
Okay, okay. So, mm,
We can even just say 7 habits. That's it. The whole book title can be 7 habits. The tagline can be 7 dangerous habits that may ruin your health if you do not follow.
okay. This will be tag. Okay.
So the your 7 dangerous. Why do you say it's dangerous habits when it's all positive?
It is positive, but if I'll tell dangerous, because people are doing exercise, that is also not doing, not doing exercise is a habit. So this habit is spoiled. So I am talking in other way. I can tell frankly, though you follow the 7 habits. So people, oh, I know everything. But to encourage the curiosity, what are the dangerous habits?
Ah,
So I thought in that way. You can correct it. So that's why
understood.
I just
Okay, okay, understood. But again, it's very big. Okay,
okay.
the title of the book becomes very big. Okay, so it can be even made simple with a. You can put a picture over there to symbolize the danger instead of in words,
Hmm.
and then you can add it in the tagline.
Hmm.
Okay, 5 step
Okay.
process or 7 habit.
7 processes, 7 habits. Okay. So title will be 7 habits. If I will keep only this much is enough. Or
Yeah,
what you are thinking?
absolutely enough. Yeah, or otherwise you can write the word habits deliver results.
Habits, David. Others.
That can also be one title if you are thinking of in the positive way.
Okay.
If you want negatively, you want to attract people is don't follow these habits.
Okay. 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 Stephen Covey written 7 habits of highly effective people. So that is already famous. So
Then
people
why don't you write 7 habits of highly healthy people?
that are also good. Okay. Okay.
7 habits of highly effective people, 7 habits of okay, but again you will follow the same trend, 7 habits.
No.
Uh, Highly habits. Or you can even put dangerous habits.
Dangerous habits. Okay.
That's all, nothing else.
Okay.
Or you can
Seven
put the word habits suck.
habits sucks.
Or you
That
can put
means
one small word why habits sucks.
okay.
So it becomes a negative word, and many people will be curious why it's like, yeah, I know that. Or why we fail in habits.
Okay.
Or why habits fail. So it can be one powerful word. Why habits fail. So everyone would love to know that, right? So in your book, you can actually talk about what are the common reasons why people don't follow these habits and why are they failing and what they can do to get rid of failure and become successful also.
But what is the consequences? They will not know why habits failed. That consequences. That may be something anyhow.
Okay, I
But
don't know what angle you're going to write inside, in which angle you're going to write. It's all about the angle with which you're writing.
angle I am writing people just giving suggestion to the people. You follow, if you follow the 7 habits, your health wise you will be okay, your mental wise you will be okay, and
Hmm.
last habit is showing the gratitude, so that will be spiritually you will be okay. So changing the habits pattern, if somebody will change their habits pattern, they will be okay in every aspects of in his life
Okay,
or
so can
life.
you
So
say
that is the
change
thing.
your habits, change your life? Can that be one name of the book?
That is there. That is becoming very common. Change your habit, change your life.
It's a
That
very
is quite
common.
common. But what you told, why habits sucks, that is also good, or this don't follow these habits. That also is good. So don't
Hmm,
follow these habits. Means what habits to be followed? Then they will be curious. Oh, what habits to be followed? So
correct. And then your tagline should be 7 dangerous habits that ruin health, wealth, and happiness.
okay. And for this book cover, I have to call this publisher
Correct.
for making the book cover.
Correct. So you can, there are two ways. Either you can do it on your own or go with via the publisher, which we have tied up right now with the TLC. And I think he's giving a free cover design right now if you have finalized your title and all, just a sample. But once you sign up for their publishing program, they will create the premium book cover and
Okay.
give it to you. So they have two packages over there. One is Prince package and Queen package, something which is one is a 50,000 rupee package and one is a 90,000 rupees package where they get you the Amazon bestseller ranking and they have varieties of sponsors. I think better is you to have a word with Kailash and depending upon whichever your pocket suits right now, go ahead and
Okay.
if you want Amazon bestseller process and all, you go ahead with the high-end version. Or if you
Fine.
just want only the basic version of the book cover and printing and everything, you just do that. But I think in that package, they will give you some fixed number of books as part of the package. If you want more books, you need to pay only for the printing cost alone. Okay, so the printing cost doesn't come much. Uh, and all advantages, they give you 100% royalty and all. And they maintain the inventory and they can also courier it, maintain the Amazon account and all these things. Just
Correct.
have a word with him and then
Yes.
and also on June 5th we will have our official book launch program,
Yes, sir.
but I'm just getting all the hotel details and all, how much it will cost and all, so that we all can share that process, since all of them are launching, so it will not be very expensive for anyone of us.
Okay. Yes, because nowadays I am seeing that Herbalife top leaders, they are also writing book. They also came in the same line. So
Yeah,
why not?
everyone has to write a book because when you write a book you become an author, you become an authority.
Yes, and somebody told it. I can use it as a my visiting card also.
Absolutely. The book itself becomes a visiting card because you have a nutrition club. Whoever comes over there, you can give a free book.
Free book. Exactly.
Okay. So they will be very happy to read the book and they can become your follower.
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
whoever
Yes.
comes inside your club or whomever your teammates are speaking, since you are a world team, you will have a lot of downlines under you. Ask them to gift it to whomever they are meeting.
Yes.
They can always tell, this is my team leader's book. Please go through it.
Yes, sir.
So thereby you can print. I think you will end up in printing 1,000 books. How many downlines are there with you?
It is varying. Sometimes, so far, I made near about 600 people downlines, but now existing 200. And out of 200, only 20 is active. Balance is not active. Some customers are like this.
That's how this business is. 10% is always active. And these 10% will actually become give you 90% business. So that's how it works.
Yes. And all those years, these years, because previously I was doing service. Now from service background to this big background coming is a challenge. But I came my from listening my heart. So I am doing from my heart. It is my passion.
Excellent.
But due to my own personal development, not personal development, that team is not growing that fast way. So
Mm.
anyhow, I am learning and I am uh, constantly inspiring people. That is going on. So in this way, in this journey, one things I am facing, that is money energy. So that's why I already attended T. Hardwaker signature program in Kuala Lumpur.
Excellent.
So, and from there, a lot of changes also came to me. But that money energy is not coming in that way. But I am also listening your voice, your words, your thinking. So that is also perfectly not logical. That is from uh, other point of view, which people cannot justify from logic. That is also good. So
Correct.
I want to know few more tips so that money energy flow, if it will increase, good for me, good for people also.
Okay. With respect to money energy, from the illogical side of it, money energy in Indian context is goddess Mahalakshmi. Okay.
God is Mahalakshmi.
That's money, the goddess of money. So the goddess of money always comes only when there is a lot of money. So or the way in which you treat money and respect money, because that's the reason I always say don't bargain with anyone, because when you bargain with
Exactly.
someone is going to do the same for you. So you are distancing yourself from the money part.
Correct.
And also in your home, you need to have a dedicated spot to keep money. If possible,
Sure.
have a red color cloth. In the red color cloth, put some money along with turmeric and just wrap it up and place it inside that particular box or the corner in your home, in that area. Number three, in your wallet, in your purse, okay, you need to carry one certain amount of money always. The purse should not be empty at all. Okay. You can fix an amount and practice that money always in your wallet. If you are someone using wallet, say for example 11,000 rupees, for example,
Mm.
always 11,000 rupees has to be there inside your wallet. Or if you say 5,000, always 5,000 has to be there in the wallet. And in your wallet, you should not put any bills, petrol bills, or any of the grocery bills, or any bills. You should not put any bills in your wallet, because then all the money will go that side towards expense. It will not come towards you. And then start donating every day. How I attracted more money is by donating every day 100 rupees.
Yes.
I
Yes.
started off with 10 rupees, now 100 rupees, now 200 rupees, and I end up in doing a lot of money donation, a lot now. So I'm spending a lot of money on children education, and I'm spending money for building a temple. So varieties of ways in which I give the money back to the whole universe itself. So every day develop a habit of giving away money. That means you
Mm.
identify someone or something and you give it up. The more you give, the more it comes to you. That's uh, that's another way of looking at the money energy
Yes.
inside you.
Yes.
And also when you're counting the money, you should always count it like this towards you,
Yes.
not
Yesterday
away.
you told that things. Yes. But, yes.
No, it's always money coming to you. It's not going away from you. So that is also another money secret that you can adopt
Yes.
in your money, with respect to money part of it. And in your mind, you should always think that there is a lot of money in your head. Okay? Never feel insecure. Never feel worried that what will happen if I don't have money. I have a lot of expense in my life. I don't know what to do. Whenever I am supposed to do some expense, I jump with a lot of joy and happiness. Why? Because I can't print that money. So obviously someone has to come and give it to me. So it can be a client or it can be some friends. I don't know. Someone has to come and give me the money. So whenever an expense is coming, I will be very happy because someone is going to come and give me that money. So I will be very curious to know who is that person who's going to give me the money. So that change in my mindset suddenly opened up everything, and I'm not at all worried about the money part at all. Whenever money is required, it keeps on flowing through you. So thereby you become a little larger channel for attracting money in your life. So these are small, small things, not negotiating, giving, donating,
Yes, sir.
and storing the money in your home in one place, okay, with a red color cloth, and then what else I said? Counting, how you count the money, that matters a lot, and putting money in your wallet, keeping a
Correct.
fixed money in your wallet, and whenever that money goes down, replace it so that that money should not even come down. And then
Okay.
whenever you have an expense, be very happy because someone is going to come and give you money.
But I am not keeping any wallet with me because whenever I kept wallet, it was pickpocketed. So I am not keeping. I am keeping a bunch and keeping in my this pocket. So
Okay. Yeah, that's okay. If you can keep in pocket also, it's okay. It doesn't matter whether it is a wallet. With
okay,
you, can you hold the same amount of money?
okay, okay,
That's
okay.
okay.
and and the things when some bad investment is going on, suppose I came to know, oh, this amount is already gone, or it is bad investment, that emotion is hurting me lot of times, or hurting me much. So how to overcome that emotion?
See, investment means it comes with a risk. Okay. So you need to be very, very
Yes.
cautious. How do you invest? And whenever you are investing, it has to be a portfolio investment. It's not one place. It has to be spread across various places because one will rise, one will come down. Say, for example, if you are doing investment in stock market, if the stock market crashes, the money will go down. So that's the reason if you have money to invest, don't put all the money in one bucket.
Hmm.
It has to be put in different buckets so that overall average you will make the money. Okay. That means you have to go one portion for gold, buying gold, one portion should go into mutual funds, one portion goes into stock market, one portion goes into your company. Okay, so you need to spread across the investment, even if it's a small money, spread it across. Thereby, what happens? You know that if one sinks, another will overall average it will come. Okay? And always it is a long-term returns. It's not a short-term. Okay? So if you start playing short-term, money will not. You will always suffer when it plays with money short-term. Always it's a long-term game with money. So don't worry about the returns if it goes down. Because that's how the money flow will be. It's a current, no? It will go up and down.
Yes, sir. By thinking in from that point of view, I am just writing and publishing book, because this is risk and there is investment is also required. But how much return will come, I don't know. But let me push and mm, push myself and go forward. So
Correct.
something
For
will
example,
happen.
this book is an investment for you because it is a
Yes,
marketing tool for you.
it is
Because
marketing
you are
tool.
not going to sell the book and make money. So it
Correct.
means you are not going to the shop and sell the book and make the money because in your mind you are very clear now. If people
Yes.
are doing that, that's where the tension comes. Oh my
Yes.
goodness, I'm spending a lot of money in printing the books. What will happen if I don't sell? Okay. But here you are very clear. I am writing a book so that I can build a business around the book.
Yes.
So that the book that one small 1 lakh will become 10 lakh later.
Later. Yes.
Okay, so it's an investment for you. So you need
Investment.
to ask yourself, okay, am I investing in the right place? The money that you're putting.
Yes, yes. That is sometimes that logic is not coming. That the investment in proper way or not. So that's why some bad investment already happened. So that is
Ah.
haunting something anyhow.
Some investments will always go bad. Some investments will always come good. But always remember, it's all about total return on energy investment. Okay,
Energy
how much
investment.
energy you invested matters a lot. Okay, so some places where you thought it is a bad investment, maybe after 2 3 years it will give you better returns.
Acha, acha.
Not immediately. I have experienced it in my life. I thought, oh my goodness, the money is gone, completely gone. Ho gaya. But after 5 years, suddenly money comes.
Yes.
So it will never go wasted wherever you have invested. It will come back, but probably it is little slow. It will go around, boom ke aa jayega.
So okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
I
You
hope
have given this.
I hope whatever I shared with you will be useful for you.
Yes, yes, it is useful and it is motivating me, inspiring me also. So
Okay.
this is the first time one to one with you. I never made this because I came to know about Murali Sundaram from email marketing. He used to send email. From there, I came to know what is there inside. As then I came to know and your free contents of happiness. That small videos.
Correct.
From there, one day you invited for a webinar like this. Just I came to know about
That's all.
these things.
You just have to
So
follow the same steps. That's all. It's not a rocket
steps
science.
exactly,
Same stuff. Okay,
exactly.
if you want to take a picture and put it in our TLC group also, so that everyone will get motivated.
Motivated. Yes, sir. It maybe, or I will take one screenshot.
Yeah.
Is there? Screenshot is there. Just a minute. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very
So
much, sir.
thanks a
And
lot. Thank you. And any support, anytime you need, please let.
yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. And all the very best for TLC Vega journey. And I'm sure that you are doing an amazing work over there. So please do a lot of one-to-ones with our fellow members in Vega. And the whole
Yes,
Vega
sir.
looks like health and wellness group. Huh? The whole Vega itself looks like everyone are in wellness coaching only. So a lot of complementary business can happen between all of us.
That is correct. But in the group, whenever I am posting that I want to do 1:1, only one fellow is responding, or sometimes nobody is responding. If somebody will respond, then I can do.
It's a new group, Ashutosh. All are strangers. So it will
Strangers.
take 2 to 3 months to settle. So we just have to go very
Yes,
slowly,
yes.
step by step. Okay. So whoever comes one-to-one,
Yes.
slowly start building
Yes,
and
sir.
helping, and it takes little time
Definitely,
because
sir.
all of them needs to develop the coaching skills and WhatsApp skills predominantly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Have a fantastic day then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving this much time. Thank you very much. And definitely, I will be in contact whenever I will face some problems or challenges in my life.
Thank you. Thank you. Always there with you. Bye-bye.
Bye.